Hello everyone, I'm Marissa and today I'm gonna introduce Yutong van to you. Available in multiple seating configurations, 7 or 9 seats and 14 or 15 seats, and 2-door layout options. Sliding side door with the rear double lift doors or outwarding opening side door with the rear flip-up doors. The model supports Euro 3, Euro 5 and Euro 6 emission standards, and come in both automatic and manual transmissions to meet different operation needs and driving preferences. With core values of reliability, safety, economy, comfort, smart features, and professional design, renowned as a professional van that truly understands operational demands. The Yutong V6, with sliding side door and the rear double lift doors, is ready to step into the spotlight, delivering a smarter, more efficient operational experience. Link Plus currently serves over 440,000 vehicles in 42 countries and regions. Yutong Van better rewards